Now this is going to be some news for New Year's. We are announcing free lectures for CA Final and CA Inter Audit, which will be delivered in 100% English, and the batch is starting from 3rd January 2023 onwards. These lectures will be delivered through Zoom application, so you can attend live from the comforts of your home. You can attend live for free for 7 days, and that is around 20 to 21 hours of lecturing. After that, if you want to continue attending, then you will have to enroll. But do not worry, if you register for these free lectures, we will give you a special discounted price to enroll for these lectures. Why free demo, sir? I want you to realize, I want you to experience the quality of our lectures. I want you to experience my dedication for audit subject and then decide whether you want to leave your careers in my hands or not. Just to give a little bit of my profile, I have been into this coaching industry for around 10 years. I have coached more than 50,000 students across India, Nepal, UAE. Yes, and my students have scored all India first in audit at CA final and CA inter level. I can give you verified feedbacks for that. Some of the feedbacks are also there on my YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Join us. At least come and experience the quality of the lectures, and you will realize for yourself what you should do further. Whether you enroll with us or not, my best wishes are always with you. All the very best, my friend. I really hope that you clear chartered accountancy very soon. Thank you so much.